See next question of 17.1. Line L is the bisector of an angle A and B is any point on L. L line, it is bisector of line angle A, means this line L divides angle A into two equal parts. B is any point on L. See, this B is point on this line L. BP and BQ are perpendiculars from B. This BP and BQ are perpendiculars. If they are perpendiculars, it means they make this angle of 90 degree. Clear? So, show that these two triangles congruent. BP is equal to BQ. These two things we have to prove congruent. Clear? So, come on. Which triangles we have to prove congruent? We will write those in triangle APB and triangle AQB. Okay, because these two triangles we have to prove congruent. So, in these two triangles, angle BPA, these are of 90 degree both. So we will write BPA is equal to BQA 90 degree. Clear? AB is equal to AB, that is common side of both triangles. We have written in all questions. Angle BAP, this one angle equals to angle BAQ, this angle. These both are also equal, given because L, this L line bisector of an angle, because line L is bisector of angle A. Clear? So if these equal came, then we can say by ASA congruency, triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB. If these two triangles congruent, then we can say that therefore BP is equal to BQ by CP/CT. Now listen, if BP is equal to BQ, then we can say that B is equidistant from the arms of angle, means B is at an equal distance from these two sides. So we can write that, so B is equidistant from arms of angle A. Clear? See next question. In a right triangle ABC, right angled at C, means this is right angle. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. This M is the midpoint of this AB. Hypotenuse C is joined to M. Then they have joined C with M and produced to a point D. Then they have extended it to point D, such that DM is equal to CM. This side and this side equal. Point D is joined to point B. Then point D they have joined to point B. Show that these two triangles congruent. This angle is right angle, then again these triangles congruent, and then these 4 points we have to prove. So come on, first two triangles take AMC and BMD. So we will start in triangle AMC and triangle BMD. These two triangles, firstly we will take AM is equal, M is midpoint of AB. If midpoint, then we can say therefore AM is equal to BM. It means this is given these two angles, angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 1 equal to angle 2, we can write vertically opposite angles. I have told you how vertically opposite angles are equal. Then CM is equal to DM, CM is equal to DM, that is also given. So by SAS congruency, two sides and one angle equal, triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD. Proved. This is the first part proved. Next see angle, then we can say angle MCA equal to angle MDB. MCA this angle, MDB this angle. These two angles will be equal because by CPCT. Of course these two triangles congruent, then this and this angles will be equal. These two angles equal, so we can say that these are interior angles. These are interior angles and DC is transversal also. If interior angles equal, DC is transversal, then we can say that these two sides parallel to each other. So we can write therefore AC is parallel to BD. Okay, but angle ACB is equal to 90 degree given. Now we can write angle ACB plus angle DBC. See ACB and DBC, these two angles, sum of these two angles 180 degree. What is the reason? Sum of interior angles on the same side of transversal. These are on the same side of transversal, so we can write a sum of interior angles on same side of transversal. So angle ACB 90 degree, DBC we can prove DBC will also come 90 degree. That 90 will come this side and subtract. So this we have to prove that angle DBC is a right angle. So we have proved that. Now come on third part. In third part, triangle DBC and triangle ACB we have to take DBC. Which is triangle DBC? See here, DBC ACB. These two triangles we have to take this full and this full. So see there, DBC angle ACB is equal to angle DBC. Now we have proved that they are of 90 degree. These two angles 90 degree. Then AC is equal to BD. See here, AC and BD equal. Okay, because why they are equal? Because we have proved na upper side these two triangles congruent, AMC and BMD congruent proved. Then we can say that these triangles are congruent. These triangles are congruent, then these sides will be equal by CPCT. BC is equal to BC, that is common side. If these equal came, two angles, two sides and one angle, then we can say that which congruency is there? Anybody can tell? Triangle we have taken ADBC and ACB. These two triangles taken, one angle is 90 degree then we said AC BD equal BC common, then what we will say, by SAS congruency triangle DBC congruent to triangle ACB. If triangles are congruent came, then we can say that DC is equal to AB. Wait, these two triangles congruent came, then these two sides we can say equal, DC is equal to AB. Now do half of these two sides, half of DC, half of AB. Half of DC we can write MC. So we can write it MC is equal to half of AB. So with this our 4 parts proved. This was the third part which we have proved triangles congruent. Then we write that DC is equal to AB by CPCT. Then if half multiply both sides, half of DC MC, then these both equal again. So with this our exercise 7.1 is completed. Clear to all?